everybody? It's Oliver's Papa. This is a quick video for the common sense investor, and I'm not looking for any trouble. I'm not. I've got a lot going on. I don't have any time for any shenanigans, any of them bayou shenanigans. You know, and I know I poke my fun at the guy and all that, but this is serious because what you're doing, CSI. What you're doing is you're trying to put together a lawsuit, a corporate lawsuit, a civil suit against the CEO using ChatGPT. Now, the idea is quite creative, and I've read some of what you've put out there, but what you're missing is, and you're very bold about it, you're very sure of yourself, which is your fucking mistake because you do this all the time. You get so sure of yourself that you end up looking like a fool. You did with the Highcroft thing, same thing. If you would just listen, you might actually learn something. Now, ChatGPT isn't taking into account, and I can almost assure you this, where Adam Aron, where the CEO is stationed at, where the corporation is, where its home office is. The corporation is subject to those tax laws of that state. It's subject to certain rules. The CEO there's a lot of things governing what he has and it does have to and does not have to do. Okay, contract, prospectus, all kinds of different stuff is involved here. All right, you say that Adam Aron can be voted out or fired, or he hasn't. Listen, man, did you read the prospectus when our friend over there in California, when he read that out and he covered half of this? The shareholders can't take control of the company by electing somebody else. Adam Aron isn't going to be replaced, okay, because of shareholders. There's a clause written in to the prospectus that prevents a takeover from happening. You have to get your hands on Adam Aron's contract, the prospectus. You have to look at the bylaws. You have to read a bunch of stuff and then put that in and then see what the AI is telling you. I'm going to give you a perfect example right now. And if you didn't do this, then shame on you, and you should just stop where you're at. Seriously, if you didn't go to where I'm about to go with this thing. Corporate law is some of the hardest law in the world, okay? Criminal law, being a trial lawyer with an insurance company, anything like that, that's nothing compared to the pool you're about to go swimming in. And who do you go to help for? Al from Boston? That bitch? We don't even know what that bitch looks like. And that's who you go to get some help from? Listen, man, just admit that this is for likes. Just admit that, man. Just do it. Okay. Laws governing a CEO may vary from state to state as business laws and regulations differ between the states. However, there are federal laws that apply to all CEOs, such as those relating to securities fraud, antitrust laws, and employment discrimination. Additionally, the duties and responsibilities of a CEO are largely determined by the company's bylaws and the board of directors, not by any set standard. Rather than the state laws. It is important for CEOs to be familiar with the laws and the regulations that apply to their specific industry jurisdiction, and then be familiar with the contracts that they hold. Look, man. If you're going to be serious, first of all, take all that shit down, because any attorney you talk to is going to say, who have you shown this to? Oh, I just showed it to all 25,000 of my viewers. Well, you should know this. You should know this. A lawyer's going to say, take that shit down. What are you telling them your battle plan for? Art of war, easy, fucking one of the first things. Never let your enemy know what you're doing. And here you are showing them. That's why I don't believe you. That's why I don't believe you're genuine. Take everything down, work on this in the shadows. When you're ready to present the suit in court, and then you go there. Stop, man. Just stop. The Goliath that will be AMC's legal team will crush you like a bug. I'm not saying don't do it. I think everybody should sue this guy, but at least be serious. You don't put your battle plans out there for your enemy to read, do you? Is that what you do? Yeah. And I want my crawfish boil, and I want my Neville Brothers records back, you goon. Oliver's Papa's got to go. God bless.